Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting showdown for you. A head-to-head comparison between two power-packed smartphones from iQOO, the Neo 9 and the Neo 9 Pro. We'll be diving deep into various aspects to help you decide which one suits your preferences and needs better. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, the in-hand feel. Both the Neo 9 and Neo 9 Pro boast a premium build, but the Pro model takes it up a notch with its sleek design and slightly lighter form factor. The materials used scream durability, giving you a solid grip and a premium feel. Now, let's talk about build quality. Both devices come with a robust build, featuring a metal frame and glass back. The attention to detail is evident, and you can expect these smartphones to withstand the rigors of daily use. Moving on to the display, the Neo 9 and Neo 9 Pro shine with vibrant AMOLED screens. The Pro variant, however, packs in a higher resolution and supports a higher refresh rate, providing a smoother and more visually appealing experience. When it comes to the operating system and user interface, both devices run on the latest version of iQOO's custom UI, offering a clean and intuitive user experience. Updates are prompt, ensuring you stay on top of the latest features and security patches. Now, let's talk performance. The Neo 9 and Neo 9 Pro are powered by top-of-the-line processors, ensuring snappy performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming or running demanding applications, these devices have got you covered. Storage-wise, both smartphones offer ample space for your apps, photos, and videos. The Neo 9 Pro, however, comes with a higher storage variant, catering to those who need that extra space for their growing digital lives. Shifting our focus to the cameras, the main shooters on both phones capture stunning images with excellent detail and color reproduction. The Neo 9 Pro, though, takes it up a notch with additional camera features and improved low-light performance. Selfie enthusiasts, listen up. The front cameras on both phones deliver sharp and vibrant selfies. The Neo 9 Pro once again steals the show with its advanced front camera capabilities, making your selfies stand out even more. Now, let's talk about battery life. Both devices pack a punch in this department, easily lasting a full day on a single charge. The Neo 9 Pro, thanks to its slightly larger battery, might have a slight edge here. Connectivity-wise, you're covered with 5G support, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds. Both phones also come with the usual suspects: NFC, Bluetooth, and a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. When it comes to sound quality, the stereo speakers on both devices deliver crisp and immersive audio. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, the audio experience is sure to impress. Now, let's talk about unlocking options. Both phones offer a variety of biometric options, including an in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. The Neo 9 Pro, however, incorporates the latest sensor technology, ensuring quicker and more secure unlocks. Finally, let's touch on the price. While the Neo 9 is an excellent choice for those looking for a flagship experience on a budget, the Neo 9 Pro justifies its higher price tag with its enhanced features and capabilities. So, which one is better for you? If you're looking for a powerful yet budget-friendly device, the Neo 9 might be the right fit. However, if you crave the absolute best and are willing to invest a bit more, the Neo 9 Pro is a solid choice, offering an overall enhanced experience. And there you have it, the iQOO Neo 9 versus Neo 9 Pro comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which one you choose. Until next time, this is Mr. Tech signing off. Stay tech savvy.